Welcome back to Cars World 2025, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of cars and motorcycles. Today, we are diving deep into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Honda Rebel 300, a bike that blends classic cruiser styling with a modern twist. Right off the bat, the Rebel 300 commands attention with its low-slung frame and minimalist design. The 2025 model retains Honda's signature bobber-inspired look, featuring a sleek, narrow profile that enhances its aggressive stance. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank adds a retro touch, while the blacked-out engine and exhaust system give it a bold, stealthy appearance. At the front, we have a round LED headlamp housed in a compact casing, providing excellent illumination while maintaining that vintage charm. The fork tubes are thick and finished in black, reinforcing the bike's muscular character. The 41mm telescopic front forks not only add to the aesthetics but also improve ride stability, giving the Rebel 300 an assertive road presence. Moving to the side, the Rebel's low seat height and clean lines make it stand out in the lightweight cruiser segment. The sculpted fuel tank, now available in new color options for 2025, complements the bike's rugged personality. The single-piece frame is neatly engineered, allowing for a seamless blend between the body and the exposed engine components. At the rear, the Rebel 300 keeps it simple yet stylish. The fender is short and precise, giving the back end a chopped-off, bobber-like look. The slim LED taillight is neatly integrated just below the seat, maintaining the Rebel's sleek and uncluttered aesthetic. The short, upswept exhaust further enhances the bike's aggressive appeal, while also optimizing performance. The Rebel 300 rides on 16-inch wheels wrapped in thick tires that provide a strong grip and excellent road comfort. The cast aluminum wheels feature a bold 5-spoke design, adding a modern contrast to the otherwise classic styling. The front disc brake, paired with an optional ABS system, ensures confident stopping power. With its perfect balance of vintage charm and modern functionality, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 continues to be a top choice for riders looking for an entry-level cruiser with serious attitude. Stay tuned to Cars World 2025 for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Ride safe.